Founded in 1782 and nestled in the corner of the Niagara region, just beyond Niagara Falls, we're walking through the streets that epitomize Old Town charm. Locals affectionately call this Niagara-on-the-Lake effect. The prettiest town in Ontario is the jewel of the province and draws tourists from around the world. Lined with boutique shops, restaurants, and home to the coveted Shaw Festival, this heritage district is accented with iron planters and historic architecture. Agriculture is a vital sector in Niagara-on-the-Lake, a regional VQA appellation in Ontario. The Niagara region is responsible for 90% of grape production in Ontario, making it the largest wine-producing region in Canada and accounting for 80% of Canada's total grape and wine production. With over 13 million tourists arriving in Niagara each year, Niagara-on-the-Lake is a popular destination for visitors to take in the pristine countryside that spreads across the escarpment and highlighted with sun-drenched rows of grapes and enticing tourists to experience some of Canada's best wineries.
From award-winning wine sampling to savoring food at some of the region's renowned restaurants, discovering distilleries, farm-to-table experiences, winery tours, scenic cycling and hiking, the activities are endless and make every weekend feel like a vacation. With the unique combination of topography, soil, and climate, some common varieties of grapes in Niagara-on-the-Lake are Chardonnay, Riesling, Merlot, Cabernet Franc, and Vidal Blanc. Seasonally, the constant circulation of offshore breezes between Lake Ontario and the Niagara Escarpment profoundly moderates seasonal temperatures across the appellation, and cold temperatures during the winter are essential for ice wine production. Winemakers in this region have perfected the art of making the world's best ice wines, and today Canada is one of the largest producers of ice wines in the world. The breathtaking vistas and distinctive experiences of Niagara-on-the-Lake earn the prestige and success that comes with operating an estate vineyard in this region and being among wine-producing giants like Inniskillen Wines, Two Sisters Vineyards, and Peller Estates.